Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayesha's Curious HQ. Today we're making a rabbit which can bounce and can do tricks. Just like this one. Hi, my name is Twilight. Sometimes I call her Pinky. Twilight, you can even name her rabbit. So let's begin. Boing, 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 boing. Take 2 strips for the given measurement and glue them together 90 degrees angle. The second step is you have to fold them over each other. Like this first, then this. When you fold it all the way, it'll look like this. So the bunny can bounce. Take a round stencil, any round stencil, and make the bunny's face, but the face should be small. Now we will make the ears of the bunny's face. Now we have to make the neck. Now we will cut out this whole shape. Now here's our bunny's face. Now we have to decorate it with, of course, the eyes, nose, and you're even gonna do its features. Now take a red or pink and a black pen, and with the black pen, just inside the eyes, color in, and also trace the rest of the pencil lines which we put. Also trace those. Be really careful while doing it. And take the bouncy thing to bounce the rabbit. And take your glue stick and glue on top. And make sure don't take a lot of space so we can put the hands on, of course, the top. And also pull the neck. Like this. And also stable the head a bit. It'd be kind of hard. Stable it. But it's not done. And now that you've done that, put it aside. And take a paper and fold it like this. I folded 4 times this and this. Okay? Now you take the scissors and cut the hands and the feet. You have 4 4 pieces, but the two, they're of course supposed to is 4, so just half the 4 and make it 2, and the first 2 will be the hands and the second 2 will be the feet. Now you will make the claws with the black marker. Just put 2 lines. Now you take your rabbit, the face, and the bouncy thing, and put the hands and the feet on it, and take your glue again. So just for the hands, you do on the bottom, a little glue, but don't glue at all. Just on the bottom edge. Go. See? Right hand is there. Now take another one. This is the dash. Stick it. Cute bunny. Look at the cute bunny hands. Now the feet. Don't do it again on the bottom. Instead, we do it on the top, but don't put it on the claws. A little. Get your bunny upside down. So you can, now that we made the bunny, let's test it. I can even do tricks. But you just throw in the sky, or not, the sky up, and then we'll just do some twirls, flips, and then come down. So once when I made the bunny, I threw it, it was like it was flying down. Like parachute was at the back. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!